Hey guys, sorry I haven't been able to give you guys too much of a update lately. I've just been busy with the little guy. However, I've still been tracking this, and I've been checking different time frames and also different charts. I went over to TradingView to see how that looked, because every chart does look a little bit different. I was even looking at charts with pre-market and after hours, as you can see here. So that adds a bit more gradients to what we're looking for. So I just want to give you guys a quick rundown as to where I see we are currently. Just based on touch points and fractal theory. So currently, I'm thinking we're sitting right about here in the fractal. Sorry, right about here, and that's just based on this most recent touch point, which is putting us down. You can actually see we got a small gap from here to here, and this was the open of today. And so quick rundown of the general picture so far is we gapped up here, which is here on this chart. We made our first and second peak, and actually arguably three. You can see it with after hours displayed, but for the general picture, our first and second peak, which are here and here, where we came back down, displayed here, came down even farther, this roundabout here, and then we kind of consolidated here in this range, which is all this, just kind of stretched out. And so we gapped down this morning, and we're looking to consolidate, looking for a little bit lower. So unfortunately this could play out over the next day or two, but I think next week, if not Friday this week, we are going to get the explosion, this big candle that we're looking for. So with that being said, I'm looking short this week, but long next week if we don't get this boom Friday. That's just kind of where we're at right now. A lot of this was it was tracking on a smaller time frame. We were watching it on the 1 hour, but that actually looks a little cleaner for the gap down that we're looking at. However, I think it is going to play out on either the 2 or possibly even the 4 hour now. But it's basically the same. You can see it's the same action between, all these different time frames. Come down, come back up, consolidate, and then the gap down. And so we're looking for probably a little bit lower here. Probably going to get down to 468 or so, just based on where we are now. 65 even, yeah. And so yeah, hopefully by Friday end of day or Monday we're booming. Again, I'm sorry for the late post here. Hopefully you guys find value in this. Alright, peace.